If you find it difficult to get back on track with ketogenic diet after a holiday or a cheat day, you feel demotivated, you have no energy, you feel sluggish, and in general you feel bad. I understand, I've been there many times, and today I wanted to share with you my top tips how to get back into ketosis quickly and with success. Listen, these tips are very powerful, so check with your doctor before you start them, but those tips works really well on me and for my clients, so let's get started. Tip number 1, forgive yourself. We are just human beings and everyone can make mistakes. It's okay, nobody is perfect, so you need to remember that a holiday or a cheat day isn't going to ruin everything, especially if you get right back on track with your healthy lifestyle. So try to be kind to yourself, okay? And the best thing to do is just move on and recommit to your goals. Tip number 2, very important tip, eat more fat and protein. Let me explain you why. When we are on a holiday or have a cheat day, we tend to eat more carbohydrates. So our body is starting using carbohydrates as a source of energy. So our goal here is to get back on track, start burning fat and start using fat as a main source of energy. So what we need to do is to cut carbohydrates to 0. Yes, to 0 or maximum to 10 grams a day. This is just a temporary thing, just for a few days until you get back to ketosis, okay? So you don't need to do that longer. This purpose is just to get you into ketosis very fast, okay? I want you to focus on the fat and protein. This will help you also kill the sweet cravings and will boost the ketones production, and also fat, protein are very satiating. So what I want you to do is just stop fruits, even berries, no vegetables, no dairy, no nuts, even no keto-friendly sweeteners. Trust me, this will help you to get back into ketosis faster, okay? And this works for sure on me and my clients. If you feel hungry, I want you to eat hard-boiled eggs or bacon. That's it. Next tip. Consider intermittent fasting or fast for a day. Intermittent fasting and fasting in general can be a great tool to speed up the process to getting back into ketosis. But you know what? If you are not able to do that, I understand, because when you wake up after a cheat day or after a holiday, we naturally feel hungry. So instead of fasting, I want you to start your day with bulletproof coffee or bulletproof tea. And once you are keto adapted, intermittent fasting comes naturally. Okay? Next tip. Remember to drink water and don't forget about electrolytes. During this time, you might need more water and electrolytes. Your body might need more electrolytes, so please remember to use good quality of sea salt. I love Celtic, but you can use different one. Potassium and magnesium. Bone broth will help as well. Next tip, move your body. You might not feel like exercising, but trust me, moving your body, even doing a light strength training or yoga, even walk, will increase our mood and increase energy level. Last tip, make sure you have a good sleep. This is very important because when we have a poor sleep, appetite is getting increased, our hunger is increased, and also we are starting to having more sugar cravings. And plus, when you sleep, our body is in a repair mode. This is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you find those tips helpful. But you know what? I don't want to encourage you to have many cheat days. This is, like emergency, so you can feel great and you can come back to ketosis way easier. If you have your own tips, please share with us. Please comment below the video. I would be happy to read all of your comments. And if you feel like somebody needs those tips as well, please share my video with your friends and family. Thank you again for watching, and subscribe to my channel, put thumbs up, and I would love to share with you more tips regarding ketogenic lifestyle. So see you in the next one, and have a great day.